Hello and welcome to another episode of NDNS vlog series. Here we share nature stories picked up just for you. Also, this program is exclusive to YouTube, so if you haven't subscribed to us already, make sure that you do it now. NDNS has been in the news for the last couple of weeks. It has featured in articles for matters relating to trees. For more information, you can find the link in our description box below. Moving on, the Delhi Environment Minister has ordered to stop tree felling in Delhi until further notice. To find out more, the link will be in our description box below. Fact for the day. Many people believe that felling of a tree means that the whole tree has to fall. The definition of felling a tree according to the Delhi Preservation of Trees Act 1994 means severing the trunk from the roots, uprooting a tree, bulldozing, cutting, applying herbicides, burning or damaging the tree in any other manner. Next in news, NDNS found many trees concretized by PWD near Dera Mandi around Chhatarpur. Look at these pictures. There is no soil left around the tree. When we posted these pictures on Twitter, PWD gave us a complaint number and we're still waiting for some action to be taken. To get more updates, make sure you follow us on Twitter. A webinar was conducted with the students and teachers of Swami Nagar Model School. The students and teachers learned how to make compost at home. It was organized by Consumer Voice, a voluntary action group who works relentlessly to raise awareness amongst Indian consumers about consumer rights and consumer laws, and also gives unbiased reviews about food items, financial and banking services, and much more. If you travel around the city, you will see creepers growing on phone towers. While you may experience a bad network connection, you'll have a better connection with nature. Thanks for watching, guys. Do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be posting more of these, so stay tuned for more fun stuff.